how to get a refund from Google One after a wrong charge. So in here, the very first thing that you guys want to do is simply get into your Google and search for wallet.google.com and simply search for it, and then we'll get into this page where you'll need to tap on the menu bar on the top left corner. Here you'll actually be able to get the transactions. Tap on that one, and in here you'll be able to see all of your transaction history, right? So from here, what you can do is now locate the charge. So first of all, you need to verify yourself. So if you have some passkey added, you can use that and verify it. And in here, all you need to do is simply locate your transaction right here. You'll need to find the Google One charge in your transaction list right here. And then from there, you can simply select Google Pay if you have done it through that, and simply locate that charge. Then from there, you can request a refund online. You can actually tap on that transaction and then select report a problem, and then choose the reason for the refund request, then submit it. And I'm pretty sure that you will actually be able to get your refund from that. Or else you can also try to contact the support. You can actually, call the Google, and in there you can select chat, or like I said, you can call directly with the Google One support and tell them about the refund. I'm pretty sure within 5 to 10 business days, you'll be able to get your refund.